Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to get started with printHAT, the powerful and easy to use add-on board that turns your Raspberry Pi into a 3D printer controller. Now let's go step by step and see how to assemble the board, configure the SD card and test the user interface. Let's start with the unboxing. The package contains the printHAT board, 3 Molex mating connectors, a mounting kit with screws and spacers, 1 boot jumper and 1 extra pin header. Take the Raspberry Pi and install the 2 spacers on the bottom mounting holes using 2 of the screws provided. Mount the printHAT on top, making sure the connector of the board is aligned with the pin header on the Raspberry Pi, and that the printHAT mounting holes match the spacers. Fix the board to the spacer with the remaining screws. Finally, mount the boot jumper. This is needed only for the first boot and you will remove it later. Open the browser and go to printhat.reclab.com. Scroll down to the resource link. It will take you to the GitHub repository of the board. Go to the release page and download the release zip file. To flash the file on the SD card, you need Balena Etcher. If you don't have the software, you can download it for free from the Balena webpage. Open Etcher and click the Select Image button to pick the file you want to flash. Insert the microSD into the card reader and wait for Select Drive to update, showing the name of your card. Click on the flash button and wait for the process to complete. Once the card is successfully flashed, Etcher will automatically eject it. Take the SD card off the PC and plug it on the Raspberry Pi. Connect the power supply to the Pi and wait. The green LED will blink many times with different patterns to indicate the setup is ongoing. Make sure to wait at least 1 minute and that the green LED stays off while the red power LED is still on. This indicates the setup is complete. Remove the power supply and remove the boot jumper. Then power the Pi again. In the next configuration steps, we will use the Raspberry Pi own hotspot. On the PC, scan through the available Wi-Fi networks and select the Octo hotspot. To connect to the hotspot, you have to provide the default password. Now open the browser and go to octopi.local. This will take you to the Octoprint dashboard and concludes this tutorial. Check the next video to learn how to set up the printHAT for your machine.